dirty rice with ground beef. Sounds delicious, right? This Southern comfort food is a flavorful dish, blending rice, beef, and spices into a delightful medley. It's budget friendly too, making it a perfect dinner option. Now, let's dive into the process. First, let's address a common pain point. Having to gather endless ingredients. For dirty rice, you'll need rice, ground beef, green bell peppers, celery, onion, garlic, chicken broth, and some spices. See? Pretty simple. It's stuff you probably have at home already. Start with your holy trinity of Southern cooking: bell peppers, celery, and onion. Dice these up. A lot of people struggle with dicing quickly. Quick tip: sharpen your knife. It's safer and speeds up the process significantly. Next, saute these veggies with minced garlic in a large skillet over medium heat. Some people complain about burning garlic, but it's all about time. Add the garlic last as it cooks faster than the other veggies. Keep an eye on the color. Now it's time for the star of the show, the ground beef. Add it to your skillet and cook until it's brown. Break it up as it cooks to avoid big chunks. A pain point here can be the excess fat. Drain if necessary, but a little adds flavor. Seasoning is crucial. Add salt, pepper, paprika, and if you like it hot, cayenne. A lot of folks underestimate spice. I can be aware of who's eating it. You can always add more later, rather than overwhelm people with too much upfront. In goes the rice. Use long grain white rice for the best texture. Mix it with the now cooked beef and veggies. Mix ratio is vital here. 1 cup of uncooked rice yields about 3 cups cooked. So plan accordingly to get the desired consistency and portion size. Add chicken broth to your mix, enough to cover the rice thoroughly. This adds richness and complexity to the dish without extra work. Bring it all to a boil. The secret here is letting it simmer after boiling to absorb all those savory juices. Cover the skillet and lower the heat. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes or until the rice is tender. Do resist the urge to lift the lid. It releases steam that cooks the rice. This is a pain point for impatient cooks. While waiting, consider adding optional extras like chopped scallions or a hit of Worcestershire sauce for a tangy punch. These add new layers of flavor, but aren't essential. Just a little personal touch if you want to experiment. Once cooked, give the dish a gentle fluff with a fork. This step is crucial to ensure the rice doesn't clump. If it's too dry, add a splash more broth while fluffing. It's all about reaching that perfect texture without turning it to mush. And finally, serve your delicious dirty rice hot, and maybe pair it with some crusty bread. This dish is a feast for the senses. You've not only saved money, but created a comforting meal. Nothing like a warm kitchen filled with the aroma of seasoned beef and rice